Vegetal. Nope. Human dropped a salty snack. Tacker. Tacker. No. No. Does it look like a bird? Exploded in your home. That's how you know your bird is molting. In falling apart. But leaf. Here, have a seed. Happy smiley. Leave the plant alone. This is your last warning. Time out. I have no remorse. I want to play a game. The rules are simple. You scratch my head, make one wrong move, and you die. But I'll also be moving my head around. Good luck. Big stretch. Anybody in there? Asterisk dial up noises asterisk. This is the life. My favorite snack. In my favorite spot. Whatever you do, do not step in that. Step in what? I don't see anything. Hey. Can I stand on you? Yes, hello, I'd like some eggs to sit on. Oh. I better rearrange the cage. Like it. Cancel those eggs. My house disappeared. Small mishap. No problem. I got this. Everything's fine. Hello. Who you? Your new air purifier. I'm here to remove bird dust from the air. Say hi to my brand new filter. It's getting dark. Time left to decide. Trick or seed? Look. Full-size millets. Blue boy. Must build nest. BRB, I'm going to the bathroom. J. Where's human? Always wandering off, getting lost. Silly human. Come back. Flock is over here. My plan for stealing the chips is risky. Cheeps. Some of us may get timeouts. But the human can't stop a whole flock of us. Who's with me? I can simply snap my fingers. And 50% of my food will be on the floor. Perfectly balanced. Poof. Hello human. I'm your feathery godmother. What is your wish? Bibbidi. Bobbidi beep. Can you stop pooping on my stuff? Such a shame. Oh dear. Feathery godmother. Can't hear you. Goodbye.